el de Australia y Nueva Zelanda. Llegan a Astorga, el de Australia y Nueva Zelanda. Van para Santiago, por el Camino de Santiago, va el de Australia.
It's day 4.
That means we're entering new territory, having never walked more than 3 days in a row together.
In our 20 years together.
20 and a half.
And now, introducing the bridge kiss.
We do this on every bridge we cross when we're walking, not driving. And sometimes if you get to a bridge before the other person, you have to wait for them.
Somewhere around here we stopped and had a really good snack.
The onigiri that a lovely Japanese girl gave us in exchange for the pasta we gave her. When you're in the city, it's a good time to take advantage of the chance to have some pintxos.
Just a tomato.
And a vino tinto or 2, of course.
Or 3.
And then in the long and lovely twilight, we take ourselves up to the old town, in amongst the battlements, and steeped in history, we are just in awe. The Camino is a chance for solitude for some, or a time to connect more deeply with loved ones. And everyone's got their own way of dealing with the weight they carry, or with the weather. On the horizon, we see the front line of Spain's glorious marching army of wind turbines.
These ones show the way to Alto del Perdon. It's amazing to think we've walked from before that horizon and we'll walk past that one. Just before we get into town, rain threatens, so we pull out the IKEA ponchos.
And laugh ourselves silly.
Another day done, another stamp collected. And another early morning.
There's plenty of time to slow down and have a look at the flowers, and we're lucky because it's spring. There's so many around. And then suddenly it begins to snow.
And this is the seed from the black poplar tree.
You're very clever to remember that.
Oh, thank you. We stop for lunch, we stop for coffees, and the eternal search for a toilet, as there are no public toilets in Spain. And as we were leaving this town, just filming the street, we pass our first 100 kilometres and spend the night with this view from our room and indulge in my newly found love of olives and lemon beer.
And then we had to rescue our washing because it fell out of this window onto the roof below. Very good use of walking poles.